Bese abosome kakra ni abrichie kese ebo my Ghana ma ebi eka emu bia no eye merital doctor engineer Kwadwo Safo Kantanka na ekwa ekura no na wose busuafo ne mma wo me yentotoye na mu de da ye bekura no de eba bontin tie na nam so ma na idie embenfo ne abusuafo wo mo enam so mpanifo a wose wo mo hu anase ye yuma sotire ma eye ni dane duru ho a wo mo ehunu no womu gusu a womu de invitations no ekwo na edi onkopie mu ewo otambuafo pani na kache eye his lordship justice Paul Bafo Boni na wokoye no pani a wogina mu ema woje eye invitation no eye justice of the supreme court eye his lordship Gabriel Scott Puaman wonu wogina mu eje invitation no senyam ya adom ne mpanifo dani duru a yeyi o masutire na wo bobo ho na ayida no watumi di abase.
Your Lordship, Justice Puaman, and other Supreme Court justices, Ewahase, any judicial service in Pennyfo, Yinina Yewaha. And now no pay me the late Apostle Emeritus, Kwadwo Safo Kantanka Nebusia. Now sorry Pennyfo, and then a ma, and now no pay ya, and this is a ketwebi. Nebusia money aso mpanyimfo hia ye no ye da ya hyehyɛ se ye di yakora beto ho the 30th of July ye be ye no wogumu ampota ho na oye ne mfidie ne cars no ewo ote ase no o ma yete ase se okɔ ne nkra achi a obepese ye nkora no ewo sa gumu ampota o ye ho ne be kora apostle the following day Friday Yinina yebesamba Independence Square. Aho ne yebeye funeral service no. Na yewia ni na wotwe a ediso. Ye memene da for by na sorry obete ye no. Yesunda ye memene da which is a Saturday. Inti they call the following week Saturday and a subsequent week no. Na otaye asantini na nkitahudie ne hyehyɛ nyina no. Ne dan otumfo otekɔkɔ o ma yete asese waye de hia owo asantena mu de yemfa nhyehyɛ ni bi emra asantena nti the Thanksgiving service no the 8th of August the yengina yebebo twi de akɔ Heroes Park e Kumasi ne yakoye na ase asori nti Chief Justice Chairman na the Papa Chief Justice ne Justices of the Supreme Court Judicial Service na muhu ye ha no peya na ye any cry papa chi ahun hyehyɛ ntinene yabedan.
With this platinum invitation box, the details of our late father's funeral, Apostle Dr. Kwadwo Safo, it has the funeral arrangements on this iPad. Please, on the iPad, we have the scheduled dates, the 30th of July as the burial date and the burial service, which will happen at Gomuampota, where the old man manufactures his cars. Then the following day, which falls on a Friday, that is also the 31st of July, the whole family and loved ones will come back to the Independence Square to observe the funeral rites as well. And on the 8th of August, the family will go to Kumasi for the Thanksgiving service, which falls on a Saturday. It's on a Saturday because we worship on a Saturday. We observe the Sabbath rule. Yes, please. And on this same iPad, we have his documentaries as well, which contains his farming, his agriculture, his technology, the cars, the TVs, and almost everything. So please, at your leisure, you could have time and take a look at these documentaries. Please, we also have an hourglass, which symbolizes life. The life he came to live as an entrepreneur and a charitable man, of course. And please, we also have a champagne, which symbolizes luxury. And as the fourth most powerful person in Ghana, as outlined in the 1992 Constitution, we felt it would be important for us to add this as well. And please, we also have a golden invitation card to formally invite you for our late father, Apostle Dr. Kojo Safo's funeral. So please, I would hand over the invitation box to my big sister, Honorable Adwoa Safo. Then she will do the official presentation. Thank you, my Lord.
Entire judicial service to the burial, funeral, and Thanksgiving service of our late father, Apostle Emeritus. Thank you.
I want to, on behalf of Justice Paul Bafubon, Chief Justice, welcome the delegation to the judiciary. My Lord Justice Bafuboni has already registered his attendance of the funeral. He will be there at the funeral. And today something urgent has taken him out, so he is busy on a commitment. Now, what you have done, this is our culture. We are Ghanaians, we are Africans. If people do not understand us, we will not give up our culture. Coming this way to announce it is the proper way in our culture. The late Apostle Kojo Safo was a prominent man in Ghana. And in our culture, when a prominent man passes, we observe it in a special way. Some people will say, oh, by judiciary, in funeral, it is our culture. We are also part of this society. We thank you for coming, and your coming is well appreciated.